Good morning. When I say good morning, we are tired. We ended up with a late night last night because we went to the square, Maldi or something square.
Yeah, I went up to the square.
It was manic. We had something to eat and we had tagines, didn't we?
Yeah, we had tagine last night, nice as well.
And then we had a dessert, which were nice.
Yeah, so we didn't get back till 11:30ish. We're up crack of dawn as well.
Then we had a shower and stuff.
Yeah, so we didn't go to bed about like gone midnight, so we're tired this morning.
Up at 7 o'clock, we've had 2 cups of tea, well, 1.5.
And we are off where we're sat waiting for our transfers now, and we're off to the, don't know name, but at waterfalls.
Ouzoud waterfalls. With monkeys!
With monkeys.
Oh, that was a long drive, but we finally made it to the waterfalls.
Yeah, I'm feeling right mardy today, so I'm tired.
Every day.
Here.
Bit sad, I think we've got to stay with this guy. I just wanted to go and wander around on my own.
Yeah, it doesn't feel like we've been dropped off right at the place either. So, in fact, to be fair, I can't see it anywhere, and it's quite a big thing, so God knows where it is.
I wanted to go walking on my own. Oh, it's here. So this is the biggest waterfall
In Morocco.
in Morocco.
You can't even see the bottom, it's massive actually.
So it's so busy, we've literally climbed up this wall because we can't even get in, and everybody's being proper divas about Instagram photographs. So look how far down that goes! How mental!
We're going on one of them boats.
Oh my god, there's a monkey! But look at everybody around it. I'm going to patiently wait my turn because I'm English, but how unreal. Look!
Los monos conoce la gente que viene ahí. Conoce el turismo y conoce la gente.
Like this. Give me a hand. Don't jump back. Okay?
Give me your phone.
It is rather beautiful here, but the monkeys are huge.
Yeah, they are big.
They're huge,
They're massive.
aren't they?
They're a lot bigger than I thought they were going to be.
That looks mean.
Oh.
Oh, is that nice?
No?
No, thank you. That's so cute. Oh my god, this is like amazing.
Leanne's in heaven
The
here.
small monkeys, have a look.
They're so cute.
Have a look 20 days.
Can I give it a banana? Oh, that one's a big one.
Give. Give more, give me more.
Oh my word. I'm going to end up being with banana in my head, aren't I? Yeah. Wait a minute. Sorry, just a minute.
La moneda, la moneda.
I don't know whether I'm loving this or scared to death.
Two. No. Want some picture with small one?
No, I'm good, thank you.
So I've just been terrified while one big gigantic monkey had hold of my leg. I was trying to feed it, another little one jumped on my head. Oliver didn't save me, he just videoed. Oliver, have you dared hold a monkey yet?
No, not yet. I'm not bothered me actually. I think they're cool to look at, but do you know this? I don't know. It's not for me having one of them crawling all over me. So, but they are cool to look at though, and it's nice that they're just roaming about.
This is 150 metres down. Olive tree roots has just told us.
It's unbelievable, isn't it?
Yeah, they're a bit weird. So I've really enjoyed our guide because we've asked him loads of questions, not particularly about the waterfall, but just about how
just
Berbers
about
live.
life in general in this part, this region. Really interesting guy, actually. To
Really
be fair.
friendly, really clever, speaks about 5 languages.
Yeah,
Unbelievable.
It's just been saying that they didn't even have schools around here 20 years ago. So in like everything they've learned about the modern world, let's call it, is like the last 20 years, which is unbelievable.
Self-taught. And that is the view. So we've made it to the bottom, although it's really busy. It's just beautiful.
Yeah, it is. It's gorgeous down here. Like, it's mind you, sun's come out now. It's absolutely baking. But
So
yeah,
thank you, Lily, for all of us.
yeah,
birthday
thank you very much,
presents.
Lila. Really appreciate it.
Were it worth the 3-hour drive?
Yeah.
Were it? And I've got that on video, so no more moaning.
It were, yeah, it's right cool here. So different. But yeah, we're going to go on a boat in a minute and we're going to go under waterfall. I'm sure we're going to get wet. So yeah, looking forward to that.
God, we even get a boat ride, look! Bit of everything this trip.
Can't wait.
Monkeys, sharks, everything. Fat shamed again, he's had to move everybody round Burke to even us up.
No, yeah,
I'm
cool.
joking.
It's cool though, this, like, we're sat here waiting to go now. There's loads of boats, but yeah, it's cool that we're going to get this close to it. What's it say?
Now this is a bit cheesy and I don't think we're actually going to get a great view or anything like that, but I mean, when in Rome. We're off! Excited, we're off.
Yeah, we're literally sailing.
Yeah, this poor guy, well, each one of these guys has got a row. All these people. That is no easy thing. Yeah. We are getting absolutely wet through, but totally worth it. Oh my god, look how close we are. Like, totally soaked, but amazing. I am absolutely soaked. There's a reason Oliver put me up front. So we may be wet. That is the most amazing experience ever. Yeah, we are like literally soaked. And all his faces, I don't know if you can see, but look how wet through. I'm glad
Right, nice.
glad I didn't do my makeup on my hair today.
Yeah, it's been wicked, that's wicked. Certainly something you've got to do for circa £5.
It's amazing. And now, lunch with a view. Best view ever. Been here, Brian?
I've ordered chicken kebabs. I'm a bit nervous actually, we're in the middle of nowhere. Feels like Delhi Belly territory. But they're actually cooked right nice and right tasty.
Have a look. Pick one of these skewers up.
Nice.
Ah, rainbow! More monkeys! Baby monkey!
No, thank you. No, thank you.
No, thank you.
No, thank you.
Little baby monkey!
That's a proper fresh baby as well, isn't it?
Yeah. There was just monkeys everywhere.
He's gonna jump right if you want. Look. He's gonna jump in your shoulder. You want to jump there?
No, thank
Is that possible?
No, I don't want to. And then, as if monkeys aren't good enough, look at them views. This was our favourite trip in Morocco and an absolute bucket list tick.